dancing in the club. He really love attention, so show him some love. Now come up slow and just ride the head. Now drop down fast, put it all in there. Now turn your ass around, let me hit it from behind you. Put big dick inside you. I'ma hit it from the back while I'm pulling your hair. You climbing up the wall, but I'm pulling your hair. Getting freaky in the motherfucker sweat. I'm all on you, you all on me. Fucking like dogs. Me and Shawty off at the wall. And I like the way she play with the balls. Shawty ain't holding nothing back at all. I ain't scared to put the mouth on the dick. She swallowed it, and she like it when a nigga be pulling her hair. Talking nasty to her ass while I'm pulling her hair.
Now that I got you in the bed, I'm gonna pull your hair. Snatch your ass up out of head. I'm gonna pull your hair.
Pull my hair, pull it hard. Pull my hair, pull it tight. Pull my hair, come on baby. Pull my hair. Fuck me daddy, spank me daddy. Fuck me daddy, spank me daddy. Fuck me daddy, spank me daddy. Fuck me, shit. You like this? You wanna see what I have?
Hey, bitch, I'm talking to you.
So tell me what you want me to do.
Look at him.
Oh,
Drop down on all fours like a dog. Now I'm looking at your ass before I hit it. That pussy from the back, I'ma get it. I'm walking over to you with the rubber.
Ooh.
Your ass in trouble.
Is it up high
I
enough?
done called your bluff. Fuck you till you cried. You said I beat that pussy from the back so much that I hurt your side. Your ass should've